Hello everyone, welcome to Rayat Online School Education. Today we are going to study subject geography standard 9th lesson number 7 international dateline. Students, in previous standard we already learned about the local time and standard time. What is local time? The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its a local time. And standard time means standard time refers to the fixed time for placing following in the same meridian set in a country by law. We have already learnt in the previous standard. Now see what is rotation. Rotation means what? The earth rotates around itself. It is known as the rotation. In the beginning of the lesson, three questions are given. Which meridian is used to determine World Standard Time, that is the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. World Standard Time, that is GMT, is determined using prime meridian at 0 degree longitude. Second question is given. Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time? 82 degree 30 minute is the standard meridian of India. See, third question is given. What is the time difference between the GMT and IST? IST is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT because India is located in the eastern hemisphere. You can see in the diagram what is the how the earth is rotated around itself. It is known as the rotation, and revolution means what? The earth revolve around the sun. It is called revolution. Means earth takes 24 hours to rotate around itself, and earth takes 24 hours to make a round of 360 degree around itself. It is known as the rotation, and earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, in terms of time, the eastern part of the earth is ahead of the western part. See now longitude. In the previous standard also we learned longitude. What is longitude? The angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian is as measured from the center of the earth is called longitude. There are the different, you can see different longitudes has the different time because every longitude has the 4 minute difference, and prime meridian is drawn on the 0 degree. And what is the prime meridian? The longitude that passes through the Greenwich near London at 0 degree is the prime meridian. You can see in the diagram how the prime meridian is passes through Greenwich near London. See, next figure is given on the page number 58, 7.1 figure, the journey of Meenal and Sunil. You can see because we have already learned that earth rotates from the west to east, and therefore in term of time the eastern part of the earth is ahead of the western part. Now keeping this mind, let us think about the Sunil journey. Sunil and Meenal journey is there. First we will study about the Sunil journey because Sunil is going to move towards the east and the eastern time is the ahead. Here 30 degree difference is given, 30 then 60 then 90 120 and 150 and 180 means 2 hours difference is there. 15 hours means what? 15 degree means 1 hour is there because 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. So 15 degree is equal to 60 minutes means 1 hour is there. So 30 degree means 2 hours you can take it. 30 degree 0 degree to 30 degree is the 2 hours means. Now we'll see the journey of Sunil. Means Sunil is moving towards the east. Therefore, the time will ahead at different meridians. For example, when the Sunil reach at the 30 degree east, it will be 2 p.m. on the 30 degree east because he has started journey at the 0 degree meridian 12 midday is there. It's a 12 midday. And when he reached to the 30 degree east, it is the 2 p.m. means it see when he reach at the 90 degree east meridian, it will be Thursday 6 p.m. and Sunil moves eastward, and according to him it will be Thursday midnight 12 at 180-degree meridian, and according to him, as he continues, it will be Friday after he crosses 180 meridian at 90-degree east. 90-degree west is there, so it will be Friday 6 a.m. and therefore after the full round of the earth, when Sunil meets Meenal at 0-degree meridian, it will be Friday afternoon 12 p.m. You can see how there is the difference. Means when the Sunil start journey at the midday 12 Thursday, when he reached 30-degree east, it's a 2 p.m. When he reached to the 60-degree east, again here is the 4 p.m. Means here on the 90-degree east, it is the 6 p.m. See, in this way there is the different time is there. Means time is the moving ahead because Sunil is moved towards the eastward. Now consider the Meenal journey. As she moves westward, she will see that time is moving backward. For example, when she reach at the 30-degree west, it will be 10 a.m. in the morning of Thursday, while it is 8 a.m. on Thursday at 60-degree west. Means 2 hours again she will move back because she is starting journey towards the backward, yeah, westward. The western time is the back and eastern time is the ahead. And when she will complete her full journey and return back to 0-degree meridian, then according to her it should be Wednesday afternoon. Means when this Vinal and Sunil meet at 0-degree meridian, they will experience the different day. Means according to Meenal, it should be Wednesday, and according to Sunil, it should be Friday. Then where does Thursday go? So to avoid this confusion, means which day is the correct? Wednesday? Yeah, Friday. So avoid this confusion. 180 on 180 degree the ideal is drawn. In the next video we will learn about the international dateline.